Ever find yourself wondering if the state of your home could use a little decluttering? If the answer is yes, well, you're in the right place. Welcome to a 7-day challenge that will transform your living space into a haven of tranquility and order. Day 1 is all about setting your intention. Identify the areas in your home that need the most attention. Define what clutter means to you. Is it piles of paper, overflowing closets, or a jam-packed garage? Once you've determined your clutter hotspots, it's time to dive in. Day 2 is the day of purging. Go through each item in your identified areas. Ask yourself, do you need it? Do you love it? If it doesn't meet these criteria, it's time to say goodbye. Be ruthless. The goal is to create a space that brings peace and joy, not stress and disorder. Day 3 is about organizing what's left. Everything should have its place. Use boxes, bins, and shelves to create a system that works for you. Remember, the key to maintaining a decluttered space is to keep things where they belong. Day 4 is about deep cleaning. Now that the clutter is gone, you can really get into those nooks and crannies. This is the day to dust, vacuum, and scrub. Your home will not only be organized, but it will shine too. Day 5 is about creating new habits. The work you've done so far is fantastic, but to maintain a clutter-free space, you need to adopt new behaviors. Make a habit of putting things away immediately after use, and of regularly reassessing what you really need. Day 6 is about celebrating your achievements. Take a moment to appreciate the work you've done. Enjoy your decluttered space. It's a reflection of your dedication and hard work. Finally, Day 7 is about planning for the future. How will you keep your home decluttered? What strategies will you use to avoid falling back into old habits? Make a plan and stick to it. This 7-day decluttering challenge is more than just a cleaning spree. It's a journey towards a more peaceful and productive living space. It's about creating a home that supports your lifestyle and goals. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Remember, the state of your home is a reflection of your state of mind. A decluttered home means a decluttered mind. Start your transformation today and enjoy the benefits of a clutter-free life. No more stress, no more chaos, just peace, order, and serenity. What could be better than that? Good luck on your decluttering journey.